Hey guys, it's me, Six Sides. Today I have a package from the Cubicle.us. So, this came yesterday and I was in Napa, so I will open this now for you guys. And sorry because of the floor, I have to record somewhere else because my cousins are here. Anyway, let's get right into it. So, in here are some cubes that I built. Where is it? Grab it. Packaging is so hard to open these days. Okay, I'm not going to say anything about cubes in here right now. First, let's go on to the Yuxin Cloud 5x5. This is my only 5x5, and what I heard, it's actually pretty good. Let's open it up. Whoa. Really sluggish, but actually pretty quiet at it. Oh wait, the outer layers are actually pretty good. Oh yeah, they're really good. Wait, sorry guys, sorry. There you go. So, why does this happen? Okay, so the M slices are actually pretty good. The outer layers are very soft, but kind of sandy out of the box. That's actually to be expected. I don't actually know how to solve a 5x5, but that's okay, I'll learn later. Okay, so this is actually pretty sandy and smooth. Yeah, I really like this puzzle. And it's a really good beginner 5x5. So, I'll definitely have a review on this. And now let's move on to the next puzzle. Okay, this is the receipt. With the business card. Wait. Oh, it's a Christmas one. It's a Christmas one with a little ribbon here, and it says Happy Holidays from thecubicle.com. And this are their stuff like YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and everything about that. So let's move that aside. That's actually pretty cool. This is what I was really expecting. The box is pretty damaged, but I don't really care. Has the Cubicle Labs logo, has the Cubicle Pro Shop logo. This is the Cubicle Moyu Pyraminx, the Cubicle.us. Let's open this baby up. Oh, it actually comes with a stand, but Pyraminx can't fit in a stand. Oh well, it's a nice added bonus. Whoa. Really looby on the outside, you know? Okay. Whoa. Whoa, the tips are so smooth and fast. I like it. Okay. Kind of sluggish, but actually pretty fast for a Pyraminx that was set up. It's super quiet and smooth. The tips are kind of sandy, but are really smooth and gummy overall. That's what I really like about this. Oh. Just push that in. There you go. Overall, this is actually a pretty good cube. Definitely will have a review on this. And really, that's all I have in this unboxing. Stay tuned for a review a review on the Yuxin Cloud 5x5 and the Cubicle Pro Shop Pyramix. So I hope you guys like this video. You should really try buying these products at the Cubicle.us. These are really good, in my opinion. Of course, for the 5x5, because I actually don't have one. I'll try to learn how to solve it and probably show you some solves at the review. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you won't miss my future updates. And I hope you guys have a happy day cubing. Bye!